Hello friends, in this video we are going to do detailed analysis of FlexiCap mutual fund from Quant AMC. This is one of the best performing FlexiCap fund that you can consider investing at the moment in Indian market. First of all, we will understand some basic information about Quant mutual fund or Quant AMC. This AMC got established in the year 1996. The total asset under the management is around 6,468 crores. The official website of this Quant mutual fund is www.quantmutual.com. There are more than 42 varieties of funds being offered by this AMC, which includes debt, hybrid, and balanced funds. Since we are going to analyze a FlexiCap mutual fund from Quant AMC, let us first understand what is a FlexiCap mutual fund. In short, FlexiCap mutual fund are those funds which invest in companies across all market capitalization. For example, the money which we are going to invest will be used to buy stocks in all caps of the stocks in Indian market, which includes large cap, mid cap, and small cap. There is a difference between FlexiCap mutual fund and multi-cap mutual fund. In multi-cap mutual fund, it is necessary to follow 25-25-25 rule, which means that at least 25% has to be allocated to buy stocks which are listed in large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Remaining 25 can be allocated based on the fund manager's decision. But in case of FlexiCap mutual fund, there is no restriction. Fund manager has the freedom to choose how much money he has to allocate for the large cap, mid cap, or small cap stocks. If the fund manager has more knowledge about the stock market, the return from the FlexiCap mutual fund will be better when comparing the return from the multi-cap mutual fund. Let us start by seeing some basic information about FlexiCap mutual fund from Quant AMC. This mutual fund got launched at 1st January 2013. Fund type is going to be open-ended. It means you can invest and withdraw the money anytime you want. It falls under equity FlexiCap category. The main objective of this fund is try to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in diversified portfolio. In simple terms, it is going to invest money in all caps of Indian market, which includes small cap, mid cap, and large cap. As I mentioned earlier, the fund manager has the freedom to choose how much money he has to allocate, and he has the flexibility to change the percentage at any time he wants. In this section, we will understand the scheme information of FlexiCap mutual fund from Quant AMC. In case you are looking for investing in this fund, the minimum investment has to start as 1000 rupees for SIP. In case of lump sum, you have to start minimum investment of 5000 rupees. The expense ratio associated with this fund is 2.39% as on January 31st, 2022. This expense ratio is higher when you compare with any other mutual fund which falls under the FlexiCap. The asset which is getting managed under this fund is around 119 crores. There is no lock-in period associated with this fund. The benchmark which is being tracked by this fund is Nifty 500 Total Return Index. There is no exit load being charged for this Quant FlexiCap mutual fund. As I mentioned earlier, we have to concentrate more on the expense ratio, which is 2.39%, which is more compared in its peers. This Quant FlexiCap mutual fund is being managed by two fund managers whose names are Sandeep Tandon and Ankit A. Ponte. Both of them have enough experience and they have their own funds to manage under their name. The Riskometer of this Quant FlexiCap mutual fund is going to be very high. We have to understand that our investment will be at very high risk. When you see the Riskometer of all the FlexiCap mutual fund, most of them will fall under very high risk category because it has the flexibility to allocate the money based on the fund manager's experience and talent. In the next section, we will understand the scheme ratings provided by different research companies. Value Star has given the rating of 5 star. At the same time, Morningstar has also given the rating of 5 star for this Quant FlexiCap mutual fund. In the coming section, we will understand the fund allocation by market capitalization. As I mentioned earlier, this is going to be a FlexiCap fund. So The flexibility of allocation depends on the fund manager's decision. 57.6% is being allocated to buy large cap stocks, whereas 29.33% is being allocated for mid cap stocks. The remaining 12.42% is being allocated to buy small cap stocks as of now. In the next section, we will understand the top 5 sectors in Quant Flexicap mutual fund portfolio. Nearly 24.48% is being allocated for services sector, 19.24% is being allocated for financial sector. Consumer staples has the allocation of 10.89%. The construction has got the allocation of around 10.75%. The remaining amount is being allocated for metals and mining sector, which is around 7.68%. In the next section, we will see the top 10 companies which are part of this Quant Flexicap mutual fund portfolio, which includes ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, L&T, Vedanta, ITC, Ashok Leyland, TV18 and United Spirits Limited. Most of the money is being allocated for the bank sector, that we can see ICICI Bank, State Bank of India. The least amount goes for entertainment category of TV18 and United Spirits Limited, which is around 3.18%. All these numbers are given in percentage. You can refer this for the latest information. Now we have come to the exciting part of this video, which is going to be absolute return in percentage. This fund has produced the return of around 36.03% in the last 1 year. When you consider the last 3 years, it has produced the return of 114.51%. In the last 5 years, it has given the return around 162.52%, which is higher compared its peers. In the next section, we will understand this calculation in real numbers for the investment of 10,000 rupees. All these calculations are going to be in absolute numbers. In the last 1 year, 10,000 investment would have given you the return of 3,603 rupees. In the last 3 years, it would have given the return of 11,450 rupees. In case of last 5 years, it has given the return of 16,252 rupees. So far we have seen the absolute return of this particular mutual fund. In the next section, I will show you some of the alternative funds that you can consider before you choose this Quant Flexi Cap fund for your investment. It is always advisable that you compare the mutual fund in the same category before you select one for your investment. We have come to the end of the video. So far we have analyzed full information about Quant Flexicap mutual fund. Hope you would have liked this video. If you do subscribe for our Financial Techie channel for more investment related videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.